Hello guys, good morning. So, when it comes to workplace risk classification, and based sa DOLE 198-18, or it is already revised by DO 25. So, in workplace risk classification, there are three kinds of workplace classification based on DO 198-8, or as I said, it is already revised in 52-25. So first, high risk workplaces, no? Ito yung high probability of causing accident, illnesses or death. Taas kayo posibilidad na ang mahitabo is aksidente. Taas kayo posibilidad na muabot sa illnesses or fatality or death, no? So mauna siya. So ikaduha, medium risk. Ito yung moderate potential exposure to hazards. Moderate, katamtaman. Ibig sabihin, hindi katulad ng high risk nga high probability. Ito ay moderate, katamtaman. Mayroong hazard pero hindi gaano kataas, but posible pa rin mag-cause ng accident or illnesses. Yun yung medium risk workplaces. At pangatlo, sabi ko nga, three kinds of workplace classification. Ang last or third is low risk workplaces. It is a low level of danger with minimal probability of accident and injury. Okay, so low level, pero andyan pa rin yung mga risk and hazard, but sabi nga is low level of danger, so mababa. Pero we need to follow what are the safety procedure, because wala pong sinabi na wala pong danger. Sabi dyan sa medium, moderate. Sabi sa low risk workplaces is low level of danger. Walang sinabi na walang danger. Sabihin, andyan pa rin, no? So any safety procedure we need to follow or implement during operational or during the work activity. Okay, so again, three kinds of workplace classification, DO 252-25. Number 1, high risk. Number 2, medium risk. And number 3 is low risk workplaces. And that's all guys. And hopefully meron tayong na catch up, kunting kaalaman. If you observe whenever you are the workplaces pinagtrabahoan natin, kung yan ba ay mataas na mag-cause ng disgrasya or moderate ba or low, ma-identify na natin kung anong klaseng workplace risk classification yun. Ano ba siya? High risk ba? Medium risk? Or low risk? So that's all guys, and thank you and good day. Keep safe everyone.